Hey guys, I'm going to show you why you can't delete your Threads account. So if you can't delete your Threads account, there are several possible reasons. So I'll show you how to fix that. So first, make sure you're trying to delete the correct Threads profile. So if you have multiple Instagram accounts linked to Threads, you may be signed into the wrong one. So switch to the correct profile before attempting to delete it. So to switch your profile, go to the bottom right corner and press and hold your profile. Then choose the correct account. Or you can click Add Profile. Next is to update the Threads app to the latest version. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for Threads. Then in here, update it to the latest version. And once updated, reopen it and see if that works. Next, you can go to your phone settings. Then scroll down and go to General. Go to iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and click Threads. Then click Offload App. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Then click Offload App again to confirm the action. Then click Reinstall App to place back your data and wait for it to finish. So once done, open Threads app again and see if that works. Now, if the option to delete your account isn't available, so again, go to your profile, then tap the settings menu in the top right corner. Then from here, select Account Center. Now scroll to the bottom and select Manage Accounts. Click Manage. Then click Deactivation or Deletion. Then just follow the following prompts to delete or deactivate your account. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.